chicken. It's a woodpecker. Wala, I'm very excited to put the one we buy for her. No, Allah, it's like a chicken. My God, too big. Woodpecker.
Yep.
That's why they can cut a tree. Oh, don't move. And if you shoot that,
It's against the law, shooting.
the woodpecker. Yeah, but I don't want you to do that. But if ever somebody shoot that, you will eat it.
Good.
Oh my God, it's too big.
Chips of wood flying off that log.
How far I am with him?
About 30 yards.
30 yards, that's why. Oh my God, it's too big. Ooh.
He's eating bugs.
Very big. That's the one you saw?
Yeah, same one.
But if you go closer, they will fly, right? Wow, you're so beautiful.